Hello everyone. We are just few days before the leading Gems and Jewelry exhibition of the year 2025. Yes, I'm talking about IHS Signature, which aims to set trends for the year and also showcasing theme Brahmi this time, an extraordinary theme highlighting the brilliant Bharat. Today I have privilege of speaking with Soumya Kapoor Khurana, Director KHLs. Let's engage with her in a brief discussion about the event and gain her insight on what can be expected out of the show. Hi Soumya, how are you doing today?
Hi, I'm doing good. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, Soumya. Soumya, as we are aware, the show is just around the corner. As a retailer, I would like to understand from you for your brand, what is the role IHS have played in the whole progress of the brand?
IIGS is very important, not just for us, but I think for all the jewelers all over the country.
Right,
Because what is happening is that here, when we come, we get to see what is in trend. We
right,
get to see the new jewelry designs. We get to see the new innovation by all the manufacturers and the wholesalers.
right.
Right now for us, for the next forthcoming season,
Mhm.
we want to explore what kind of jewelry. So this is where we can come and see everything under one roof.
Certainly. And so, Amir,
Yeah.
as we all know, Brahmi is the new theme this year at IGS Signature, where the oldest scripture of India has been highlighted beautifully. Many manufacturers also going to be showcasing how we can inculcate this script in the styling of jewelry. How excited are you to explore this new trends?
Very, very excited to actually come and explore all the designs and see everything. Another thing that we over here sitting in Kanpur, we realize is that uh, if we need something like a heavy gold jewelry and the exhibition is far away, like not happening,
Right.
the like yeah, so everything has to be done through picture, and that does not picture doesn't do justice to the
That's just
product.
absolutely.
Here when we come, we can touch, feel, try, see the product.
Absolutely.
So yeah, it is amazing. Just looking forward to everything right now.
All right. Also focusing on your state cultural identity, what all jewelry types that are most recognized, and had you got chance to engage these kind of styling at IGS show as well?
Yes, definitely and absolutely. Because what happens is that in our state, you will find an amalgamation of all types of jewelry that is being represented in every state,
Right.
whether it is a plain gold jewelry of Calcutta, or it is a temple jewelry of
Mm-hmm.
South, or it is a Rajasthani Polki Kundan jewelry. So yeah, when you come there, you get to see everything, and so yeah, looking forward to that.
Certainly. And so, since you'll be interacting with a lot of end consumers like year long, what kind of style and the trend that you anticipate the kind of retailers are going to be planning, or you as a brand will be planning for it?
We have this year, we have seen a huge demand in jewelry. So this time, what we are looking forward to is seeing something very, very special, something very designer in gold jewelry. So
Mm-hmm.
maybe if it is a chain, so looking forward to seeing some very, very fancy chain with colored stones, with Navratan stones, or if it is a gold jewelry, then not the then very different kind of a designer gold jewelry with probably some motives and
Right.
peacock work, and as you said, like some kind of a temple jewelry. So yeah, looking forward to that.
Mm-hmm. All right. And how excited are you and your team for the upcoming show? How's your plan for that?
Very, very excited. We've been doing all the homework our end, what
Right.
kind of stuff, what is the requirement that we have. Because when you go to IIJS, it is not just about one kind of a thing that you're going to buy. You're going to pick up
True.
everything from every department, whether it is chain or it is bangle, solid bangle, fancy
Right.
bangle. Yeah, so just going to actually come there and purchase things from every category.
Great, great. Soumya, it was a wonderful speaking with you, and I want to wish you and
It's
your
so nice
family.
speaking to you.
a very happy shopping at IHS Signature 2025.
Thank you. Looking forward.
Looking forward to see you at
Thank
the show. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, do not miss the chance to visit the show. It's scheduled from 4th to 7th of January at Geo World Convention Center and from 5th to 8th of January at Bombay Exhibition Center, Mumbai. It's IIJS where business happens.